What up, crypto fam? Welcome to Daily Cryptocurrency Tidbits. My name is Kingsley. In this video, I'm going to show you how to farm the NebulAI Airdrop. It's a deep airdrop that launched some couple of days ago, and you are pretty new and early. All right, so I'm sharing this with my crypto community to be able to position themselves to be able to farm this airdrop as early as possible. You have just 25 days left. All right, so do well to get started to farm right this moment. All right, if you are new to crypto, do well to join my crypto community on Telegram, where I teach and show you how to get started in crypto without spending any single dollar. All right, how amazing is that? So if you are new to crypto and you want to get started, you don't have any money, use the link in the description of this video to join my crypto community, where I share tips and process on how to get started with crypto without spending a single dime. I also have a free crypto starter kit that will show you and guide you how to earn and own your first cryptocurrency without spending a kobo or a dollar. All right, how amazing is that? So do well to hit the link in the bio or use the link in the description of this video to get started. Now back to the reason why I'm making this video, the NebulAI Airdrop. You have just 25 days left to farm this airdrop, so don't waste any further time. Let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is go over to my Telegram channel and grab the link there and go to your browser and launch it. Let me show you how. Alright, do want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and there are plenty of content with regards to new entrants into the crypto space. There are plenty of content you can always digest to get updated and catch up with the crypto space. All right, so let's get back to the NebulAI Airdrop. So if you go to my channel on Telegram, you'll find that I made a post on the 20th of this month about the NebulAI Airdrop. So you're going to use this link here, copy it like this, and head over to your browser. I recommend you use MySys or Microsoft Edge, MySys particularly. So you paste the address you copied from the Telegram channel on your search bar and hit enter, and it will take you directly to the NebulAI Airdrop website, just like this. All right, now you can see it says earn neb through mining and community participation. The more you contribute, the more neb you earn. It ends in 21 days, 2 hours and 11 minutes. Now if you scroll down, you will find that there is a button that says activate your node. Now we're going to use this button for new entrants or new airdrop farmers on this NebulAI. So I always tell you to use a dedicated email that is different from your personal email address for crypto, and also have a dedicated Twitter account separate from your personal Twitter account for crypto, just like Discord as well, and also other social media apps. Create them for crypto particularly. Now I'm going to use this button here, click on activate, and it will bring me to this page where I'll have to sign up. All right, what I do here is to enter the email address I want to use to sign up to the NebulAI. So I'll use this email address here. All right, I enter my email address just like this, and once I do that, there are two options you can actually use to sign up on this. Either you use your email by using this, clicking on this button here, or you enter your email here and then click on send code. All right, once you click on send code, the verification code will be sent to your email, which you entered here. So once you do that, I'll go to my email and copy the verification code. You can see the Nebula verification code has arrived, so I'll just copy this code like this, and then head over back to the NebulAI website and paste the code here, and I'll click on I agree to the terms. Do well to click these terms and conditions to read, or terms of service to read it up, and then once you're done, click on login/sign up. Now once you do that, you will be greeted with this page. All right, so you can see invite successful. Now if you look at the top of your screen here, you'll find a button. Once you click on it, you see there's a profile, there's account settings, and then there's a logout. Now we are going to start farming the NebulAI Airdrop. What do we do? How do we get to do that? This activates your node button here. You click on it. Now once you click on it, it starts to read a countdown timer. You see here, node will shut down in 23 hours, 59 minutes and 50 seconds. Now you activate your node every 24 hours. So once it's count down to 0, that is by this time the next day, you have to come back here and click on activate node again. All right, so that is how to farm the NebulAI Airdrop. Now there are also ways to earn more airdrop points. All right, so you have to share this link to your Twitter. Like I said, always use a dedicated Twitter account for your crypto journey. All right, so not your personal Twitter account. It creates a personal Twitter account that you will use specifically for crypto. All right, so you can use, once you click on here, it will lead you to your Twitter page where you have to share this. Do that. And also these are general requests, social media requests that you have to do. Click on this to connect to your Twitter account, and then follow the NebulAI account on Twitter. Post about NebulAI by clicking here, and also discuss join their Discord server by clicking this page here, and join them with your Discord that you created rather for crypto content only. All right, and then also join the Telegram handle to earn all these points. Now so you earn 300 neb points if you follow them on Twitter, and also you earn 300 points if you post about them on Twitter, and then you also earn 300 points if you join their Discord server, and also you earn 300 points when you join their Telegram channel as well. And then there are daily quests you have to complete. Post about, like a post about NebulAI on Twitter, then repost a post that he made, and then also reply to a post about NebulAI, and then you can also engage NebulAI to earn 50 points each for this daily quest. All right, so that is that on how to farm the NebulAI. Do well to go back to my Telegram channel and find a list of other airdrops you can farm right here. There is Bless Network, there is Dawn, there is Grass Network, there is Block Mesh, there is Tenure, and the other ones I also have on my Telegram channel here. There is Dawn. All right, so do well to farm each and every one of them. All right, so that is how to farm the NebulAI airdrop. It is quite easy and simple, and remember, it is time sensitive. You have just 21 days left to farm this airdrop. It's going to be the fastest airdrop you ever farm or mine in your journey to crypto. All right, so do well to get farming already. All right, so please do well to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you've not done that, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And there are plenty of videos and information you can always peruse and digest on my, you can see I have tutorials for different airdrops on my YouTube channel. I have airdrop for Solix airdrop, which is on the free crypto starter kit. All right, there is also Bless Network airdrop, a Pi, so many airdrops, and also a bit of information on how to get started with crypto, how to install wallets, how to navigate the crypto space. I have plenty of videos, about 129 videos for your perusal. All right, so do well to subscribe to the channel and follow me for more crypto content, and do well to also use the Telegram channel, all right, to communicate and ask questions. If you have difficulty or you are stuck somewhere along the line, always drop your questions and comments, and I'll do well to answer each and every one of them. All right, so that is that about the NebulAI airdrop and how to farm or get started with it. So that is that, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Stay safe.